Hello guys, and welcome back to New Brand Video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify your Robinhood account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing we need is to enter your application. Then you will need just to uh, verify your account. So simply, if I go here, I already signed up. So make sure that you create an account to sign up. And then I need to complete the process of identity verification. So simply, you can just click here and you will be able to start completing the sign up. Or you can come here and you can click on finish sign up and they will take you where you can continue the process. And you might also find it here in profile or in the settings here. Basically, you can just go here and search how you can continue the process. So basically, when we go to invest, I'm just going to click on complete sign up. And basically, you will be needing to add all your information. So basically, we need to have your social security number. And I'm just going to click on continue. And this one is invalid. And I'm just adding some uh, numbers. And I'm just going to click continue. And then you just follow the process. So basically, you will need just to answer the question and add your personal information so they can verify your identity. After you finish, you will be waiting for a while. Depends on the day. So you will be just waiting for your request to be processed, and then you will be having your account that will be verified, and then you will be eligible to start trading in the stock on Robinhood. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.